you have the diaphragm attached to the liver. And you see, like, left triangular continues this way, goes around the caudal vena cava, then it comes back and it continues as a right triangular ligament. And so, as long as it is present between the liver and the diaphragm, that part is called coronary ligament.
Caudal what?
Coronary ligament.
Coronary
That's coronary ligament of the liver, which is present, which actually attaches diaphragm to the liver.
You said conal or
No,
coronary?
coronary. Okay, coronary ligament. Then round ligament with falciform ligament, right triangular, left triangular. What structure is this?
That's the esophageal impression.
Esophageal impression or esophageal notch. Okay.
Okay, so you said so this one. I'm sorry.
Left medial.
Is this here just
Okay,
these
these are just further continuation. These are coming into the caudal vena cava.
okay, so this would be 1, 2,
Yep.
3, 4. That's how I'm
As they're
gonna
coming
memorize it.
into the caudal
1,
vena.
2, 3, 4,
The one with the little thing.
quadrate. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do we have? Let's see, a right lobe is just one big right lobe.
One big white wall.
Okay.
There is no right lateral or right medial. You only have caudate lobe. Actually, caudate lobe is right here. Okay, now do you remember that square diagram which shows basic mammalian liver? Let's see. This is the hilus. What lobe is present on the right side of the hilus?
So the hilus on the other side.
No, this is the visceral surface, so we can see the hilus here. Okay?
Right lobe,
On the
right
other side, on the right side we have the right lobe. On the left side we have left lobe. Ventral to that we have quadrate lobe, and dorsal to that we have caudate lobe. And so that's my caudate lobe. But what we have from caudate lobe, we always have caudate process and capillary process. Capillary is not present, caudate is present. So try to compare those things with that basic mammalian liver. That gives you a little idea about distribution of these livers. Okay? What happens in the horse? The liver is not oriented or so, but the left lobe has become smaller than the right lobe. It comes more ventrally, while the right lobe remains more dorsal. If this was ruminant, this one has gone completely on this side. So there is nothing on this side, everything goes on the right. Even though it is left lobe, it is located on the ventralmost part of the right side. Okay guys, so we empty the stomach as well. We see the gland.